Yo, what's up, YouTube family? Chad Bennett here, your Make Money Online Coach. Today, I am super excited. What I'm going to be teaching you is a 100% free method to get started in affiliate marketing. This is exactly what I would do if I was going to start all over again in affiliate marketing and I had zero money to invest in my own business. So make sure that you are paying attention. Make sure that you have a pen and notepad handy so that you can take some notes. And let's jump on into this. I know you're going to like this one. If you are brand new to this channel, let me first welcome you to my channel. What I primarily talk about here is how to make money online, how to keep a proper mindset, some motivational videos, and how to market online so that you can put as much money in your pocket as possible. Also, you guys, if you are brand new, the first thing that you are going to want to do is make sure that you have subscribed. I'm coming out with at least 2 very powerful videos a week where I'm teaching you how to make money online. These videos are priceless. These videos teach you all the things that I did that I made mistakes with and how to avoid those mistakes when you're getting started to make money online. So make sure that you're subscribed, make sure that you hit the bell notification. That way you're notified immediately when I come out with new content. And also, you guys, I would really appreciate if you would smash that thumbs up, you guys. If you find any valuable content in the information that I am sharing with you, it helps to grow my channel. It helps to get this information out to as many people as possible. And ultimately, that is what I am so very passionate about. I want to put money in as many people's pockets as possible. So make sure that you do those things for me. I would really appreciate it. Let's go ahead and jump on into this. So this is the exact method that I would use if I had zero money to invest in my affiliate marketing business. Now, at the end of this video, I'm going to show you a strategy that you can use to get started. This is the strategy that I recommend. It is the strategy that I'm using. If you have a little bit of money to invest in yourself and in your business, that is the strategy that you're going to want to stick with, and I'll show you that at the very end of this video. However, for this example, having no money at all, this is exactly what you're going to want to do to get started making money in affiliate marketing. So the first thing that you're going to want to do is you're going to want to come to clickbank.com. You're going to want to create an account. You have to have an account created. That way it's linked to you. All the products that you're promoting are linked back to you, and you get paid when a sale is made. You need to have a product, and you need to have some way to get that product, your affiliate link, in front of the customer base that would buy that product to actually participate in affiliate marketing. So I'm going to show you exactly how I would go about doing that 100% for free, you guys. So like I said, after you've created your account on Clickbank, you're going to want to come over here to the affiliate marketplace. Now, once you arrive at the affiliate marketplace, you're going to see a bunch of different categories over here on the left-hand side. And there's several, and I'll just read off a couple. They got betting systems, business investing, computers, the internet, education, employment jobs, games, mobile. And in each one of these categories, what they have is a bunch of different affiliate products that you can simply grab the link for that affiliate product and then go out online and market it and get it out to the customer base that would actually be interested in buying something like that. I want you to first understand affiliate marketing is basically bringing a product to customers that already are searching for that product. You're just trying to get it in front of them. They were going to make that purchase anyways. So you're going to want to make sure that you pick a category that you're passionate about, that you really like, because you're going to be talking a lot about this category, and it helps to know a lot about this category, and you're going to be learning a lot about this category. So you want to make sure it's something that you're really passionate about, that you enjoy learning about and talking about. Now, for me, that is how to make money online, marketing, mindset, motivational videos, stuff like that. So for this example, I'm going to pick the e-business, e-marketing category. I also want to point out that it is important that you try to stick with an evergreen category. And by evergreen, I'm talking about health, wealth, or romance. Those are the top 3 affiliate marketing niches that you can get involved in that make the most money and that will always make the most money and that are very safe to start your affiliate marketing business in. Now, like I said, for this example, we're going to pick the e-business and e-marketing category. And the first thing that you're going to want to do once you pick the category that you're going to use is you're going to want to change the advanced search feature. And the setting that I want you to change is right here where it says average sale. You're going to click that and you're going to click higher than, and then I recommend the higher the better. A good number to start with is around $500. So we'll type $500 in there, and now we're going to just simply click search again. And now what you'll notice is that all the products that are being shown here are $500 and more. And the reason for this is you want to sell high ticket items. High ticket items produce a much larger commission, and you're going to put the same amount of effort in to make a sale on a high ticket item as you would a low ticket item. And the difference there is that is what's going to separate you from making a little bit of money online to making maybe life-changing money online or a significant amount more online. So we're going to sell high ticket items, you guys. That is where it's at. You want to make sure that you do that. So you'll notice over here now that all of the items that are being shown are $500 and more. Now, the second thing that you're going to want to do now that you've sorted by average sale that's more than $500 is you're going to want to come over to where it says sort by results right here. And you're going to change this to gravity. And the reason that you're doing this is very important, is you are sorting by gravity so that you can see from highest to lowest the gravity score. The gravity score is very important because those are the items that are selling the most. Those are the ones that are very popular. They're selling the most. Now, the third thing that you're going to want to do is check out these stats right here. The stats are very important. Some of these products have rebills. So people are subscribing to a service and they get rebilled. The average rebill for this one is $468, probably monthly. You'd have to go in and actually read the description. It says the initial sell here, how much you're going to make. If you were to sell this product right here, it sells for $739. You would make $705, you guys. So I'm not familiar with what that product is, but this was just an example. So what you're going to also want to do is make sure that you actually go to the product's website and actually educate yourself, maybe even buy the product, try it out, test it, because you want to make sure that you're selling products that you actually believe in, that you've actually tested, because your viewers are going to see they're going to be able to see in your videos if you really believe in what you're talking about and if you really know what you're talking about. So you're going to want to make sure that you do some research, go to the website, and actually understand exactly what it is that you're selling. So now that you've narrowed down exactly what it is that you want to promote, you have to get a link. And the way that you're going to do this, and for this example, we'll just come down to this online marketing classroom one right here. So we want to promote this. The way that we're going to go about this is we're going to click this bright red promote button right here. And what we're after is to get the affiliate link. The affiliate link is what people are going to click on so that they can make a purchase, and it relates it back to you, the affiliate, so that you can actually get paid. Now you want to make sure that you have the account nickname preloaded in here, and if you're logged in, it should already be in there for you. So like I said before, you want to make sure that you have an account with Clickbank. So for this example, we have mine in there. We're going to click generate hop link. And what it's going to do is it's going to create your affiliate link so that when people click this link and they make a purchase, this link is affiliated with you. They know that you were the one that promoted it and you're going to get paid for making that sell. So this is the link that we're after. You're going to click copy. And then you can close this window. And then what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to come over to bit.ly.com, and I'll leave a link to this in the description of this video so that you can easily just click that and navigate here if you'd like. And the reason that we're coming to this website is because what you'll notice about the affiliate link that we just copied, let's copy it first. So you can do this by simply clicking in this box and pressing Control V, or you can right click and hit paste. But if you notice this affiliate link that we just created, it's kind of big and ugly and nasty, and the way that we can make this look a little better is by coming to bit.ly and shortening it. So we're going to paste it right here, and we're going to click shorten. And now what it's done is it's taken that big ugly link and it's made this nice little link for us. So what you want to do, you can highlight it and click copy, or you can click copy right over here. And so we're going to take this link, and this is the same link that we just had, you guys. It's just been shortened now. And then what I recommend doing, like I said, you have to get a platform that you can get this link out and actually market your affiliate link so that you can actually make a sell. The platform that I highly recommend, that I wish I got started with from the very beginning. It would have saved me a good 3-4 months of time that I actually could have been building my business, building my channel even larger, would be YouTube. YouTube is a very effective platform for affiliate marketing. And what you want to do is you want to create your channel around your niche. And what I highly recommend doing is find individuals within your niche that are very successful, that have very large channels, because what you want to do is you want to model those channels. You don't want to copy what they're doing. You want to put it in your own words. You want to have your own feel, but you want to go and build your page similar to theirs, so that way you can ride the success that they're having with their channel, because obviously what they're doing works, and that's what you want to do as well. So you don't need to reinvent the wheel here, you guys. So if you're going to create a YouTube channel and create videos, what you want to do is you want to create content that is very specific. If you're in the how to make money online category, you want to be creating videos such as how to make money online, videos about marketing, videos about mindset, videos that have to do with a niche that you're in. And so a good way to do that is to visit let's just go to Freedom Influencer, for example, Nathan Lucas. He is in the same niche that I'm in, but if we look at his videos, he's creating videos about how to make money, affiliate scam, passive income, unlimited content ideas. What else has he got here? How to make money with Bitcoin, the secret to attracting money. So you can see here, he's making videos about how to make money online, obviously. And that is exactly what you want to do as well. You can create a YouTube channel 100% for free. The only thing is you're gonna have to put a little bit of effort in to actually create videos. Video is a very effective medium to get your product in front of your customer base and to actually start making sales. I started doing paid marketing, you guys, and I lost a ton of money. I'm not saying paid marketing doesn't work, but what I'm saying is this is a free method that is extremely effective, and long term, this is the route that you want to go to create a passive income where you're getting paid regardless if you're working or not. So here's what you're going to do next, you guys. Remember the link that we took from the product that we chose on Clickbank. Clickbank is 100% free, just to reiterate that. You're going to take the link that you took and then took to bit.ly and shortened it and copied it. And then what you're going to do is you're going to create videos around that content. And just for example here, we'll click on one of Nathan's videos. Pause. And then if you come down into the description of his video, this is where he's posting his affiliate links that have to do with whatever it is that he's talking about in his video. And so, for example, he has his #1 recommendation to make money online. And then he has several other affiliate links down here that if you click them, he makes a small commission for promoting the products that he's discussing in his videos. So this is a very effective 100% free way to get started in affiliate marketing. I know that I've been getting questions about this a lot, so I hope this answers your question. This is the exact method that I would use if I was going to start all over again and I had no money to get started in affiliate marketing, you guys. Now, I told you that at the end of this video that if you stuck with me, I was going to share with you my #1 recommendation to make money online. So just clicking on one of my videos here, if you come down into the description of my video, what you're going to notice is that I've left my own #1 recommendation to make money online, and my website is chadbennettlive.com. You can click this link right here. It'll take you to my webpage. You can also type this into your web browser, press enter. What you're going to notice when you arrive there is it's going to ask for your name and your email address. You want to make sure that you put in a legitimate email address, because what's going to happen is once you hit submit, I'm going to send you out a free video and teach you exactly what you need to be doing to start creating your own online business, you guys. What this ultimately leads to is a small investment. I highly recommend that you invest in yourself. This is what I've been doing. This method is literally bulletproof. If you follow this method, it is an exact blueprint of exactly what you need to create real passive income, to create a real business online that you can scale through the roof, that you can get life life-changing results with, you guys. So that's all I have for you today, my friends. Don't forget, if you have not subscribed, there's a nice little red subscribe box that's over here. If you are not already subscribed to my channel, make sure that you click that. Make sure that you hit the bell notification. Make sure that you smash this thumbs up right here. Like my videos. It really helps to grow my channel and get this content out to as many people as possible. Thank you for spending time with me. I enjoy teaching you everything that I know about how to make money online. I'll see you on the next one. Peace.